Hey, it's a busy Sunday again here at Session Road. Obviously, it's closed for traffic and open for public use. So we're going to go to the generics pharmacy, TGP, to interview some of the pharmacies and the OJTs that we have here. Later on, we're going to pass over the mic to Jazz Adventures.
So we're here sa pharmacy and we're gonna interview some intern. Okay, so from a different school. So ngayon, meron tayong na abutan dito ang isang intern. And sige, let's interview. Kumusta? Okay lang mag-interview?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay lang.
so bagong lahat, anong name nila?
Jezebel Abilang po, from Pine City College.
Okay. So, you're intern here
Yes.
sa pharmacy. Okay. So, bakit pharmacy?
Sir, kasi suggestion din ng mga relatives.
Relative. Siguro, family kayo ng mga medical, field.
Yes.
Okay. So, ayan. From Pines, tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So far, ano na yung scope ng tawag nito yung field ng ng internship.
Sir, ngayon, currently, community na po kami. And
Before,
Yung before, bago kami na community is public health.
so ilan ba yung field na kailangan yung tapusin?
5 po.
5. So ano yung mga 5 na yun?
First is yung public health,
Public health.
community, institutional, hospital, tapos manufacturing.
Okay. So ito na yung pinaka-last nyo.
Hindi po. Sir, may dalawa po.
Meron pang 2. Okay. So far, kumusta naman ang experience mo dito sa pag-intern mo?
Sa ngayon po, sir, I'm enjoying po and I'm learning pa rin.
So marami ka naman natutunan.
Marami naman.
Okay. So ayan, balita ko malapit na kayong mag-end ng internship nyo dito. Ano yung plano mo or naisip mong gawin after nito?
After nito po, may pasok pa din po kasi kami, kaya mag-review pa rin po para sa subject.
Pang ilang year mo na ba sa college?
4th year na po.
Ay, 4th year, so graduating na. Okay. So ayun lang naman and we wish you good luck sa yung journey bilang pharmacist and hopefully maka-apply ka sa gusto mong field or trabaho soon. Okay? Based sa yung career ngayon na tinahak. Okay? So yun, thank you.
Thank you din po.
So ayan, natapos nating interviewin ng isang intern and soon to be pharmacist. And ayan, after ng internship nila dito, meron pa silang pasok sa school, magbe-review. And sila kasi ay graduating na. Then after nito is review, take board exam. Then yun na, doon na natin malalaman ang pagpasok nila sa totoong career nila. Okay, so yan lang guys. Salamat. Bye-bye.